So in this video, I'll be showing you how to download and add fonts into your Pixellab app just in a few seconds. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, the first thing to do here is come over to your Chrome browser and head over to this website, that fonts. So there are many other fonts. There are many other websites to download fonts, but for the sake of this video, I'll be going with this website. So click on this, and then you will see different kinds of fonts. So if you have any fonts in mind, you can type the name and click on search. But we don't have any fonts in mind for now. So here are just some fonts you can download. So let me download this particular font. These fonts, Bronson. So I'll scroll here and I'll click on download. So if you click on download, this is it. It's downloading already. Then you have to wait for it to download. So you can see we've downloaded the font, and this is it here, Bronson. So after you've downloaded the fonts, the next thing you do is come over to this app. Come over to this app and go to download. This is download, and this is the font we downloaded. So click on it like this and click on extract here, and then this is it. So let's come over to our Pixellab. So this is my Pixellab app. Then I'll have to import the particular fonts I downloaded now. So I already have thousands of fonts here in my Pixellab, but let me show you how to import downloaded fonts. So click on this file icon, click on this, then click on download, and this is the font you downloaded. Then click on add directory, and this is the font. This is it. So you can go ahead and write whatever thing you want to write with it. So let's try it out with another different font. So come back to your Chrome browser, and this time around we are going to input the name of the font we want. So click on this and click on let's download this font. Okay, let's download Nexa font. So click on it and then search Nexa font. This is it. So click on the first one here, and this is Nexa font. This is how Nexa font looks like. So you zoom in and you click on download. So let's wait for it to download, and then let's import it to Pixellab. So you can see it's downloaded already. This is Nexa. So do the same thing, follow the same process. Come over to this app, then this is Nexa. Click on it and click on extract here. So let's go back to our Pixellab app. So this is my Pixellab. Then I'll come over to fonts. So this is the first one we downloaded. Then click on this file icon here, click on download, and click on add directory, and this is it. We have Nexa heavy and Nexa extra light. So this is just how to easily download fonts from your Pixellab. So this is it. I hope this works for you, and try it out, and I'll see you on the next one.